morning all of you, my dear children. Hope all of you are in good health. Myself Rashmi and I am here to make you familiar with cash flow statement. So children, all of you know each and every business organization is surviving for earning profit. How do the business enterprise earn profit? Through the difference between income as well as expenses. So every firm is earning income. When the cash is coming in. So when cash is coming in the business, it is known as cash inflow. At the same time, when cash is going out of the business, that is when the business is incurring expenses, it is known as cash outflow. So a statement depicting the various cash inflows as well as the various cash outflows is known as cash flow statement. So what is a cash flow statement? Cash flow statement is a statement depicting the sources and application of funds. Funds here means cash and cash equivalents. So the main two concepts to be taken into care here is cash as well as cash equivalents. And in cash flow statement, we need to deal with these two terms, that is cash as well as cash equivalents. So what is cash? Cash is the liquid cash, that is the money, the notes, the coins in our hand. That is known as cash. So what is cash equivalence? Cash equivalence means the cash in hand, the cash at bank, the current investment, the short-term investment or otherwise marketable securities, as well as checks and drafts in hand. All these terms together is known as cash equivalence. So, what are the main two objectives of preparing cash flow statement? The main two objectives of preparing cash flow statement is one, to know the cash receipts in a business enterprise, and second, to know the cash payments of a business enterprise. So that is known as sources as well as application of funds. Funds means cash. So here is the introduction of cash flow statement. Now we are going to deal with the uses of cash flow statement, or otherwise why do we prepare cash flow statement. Let's see. First one, short-term financial planning. We do financial planning for short-term as well as for long-term. Cash flow statement is a statement prepared for two balance sheet periods. So it is mainly dealing with short-term accounting works. So here actually for short-term financial planning, we can take the help of cash flow statement. So cash flow statement can be applied as a tool for analyzing the financial planning. Second one is preparation of cash budget. Each and every business organization prepares cash budget. Cash budget is mainly prepared for a future period of time. And this cash flow statement mainly helps in the preparation of cash budget. Third one is comparison of cash budget. The cash budget of one firm with different firms can be compared, as well as of the same firm for two different periods can also be compared. And for this, the facilitating factor is cash flow statement. The third one. Fourth one, cash flows of various activities can be known separately by preparing the cash flow statement. That means the cash flow activities can be mainly divided into three, which we are going to study in the coming sessions. That is, 1. Cash flow from operating activities, 2. Cash flow from investing activities, and 3. Cash flow from financing activities. So these three activities are mainly coming under the cash flow statement, and by preparing the cash flow statement, we can identify the cash balances under these three activities. Cash flow statement is useful to the outsiders. The outsiders includes the creditors, the government, the income tax authorities, the normal public. So cash flow statement can be helpful for the outsiders too, to know the financial position of the enterprise. Finally, useful in taking managerial decisions. So before taking a decision in management, the manager will mainly look into the cash flow statement, because cash flow statement depicts the cash position of the business. That means how much cash the business is having for the time being. So children, I hope that you are clear about the concept. We know what is cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is a statement depicting the various inflows and outflows of cash for a particular period of time. The main two terms which we frequently use in cash flow statement is cash and cash equivalents. The various uses of cash flow statement is short-term financial planning, helpful in the preparation of cash budget, helpful in comparing with the cash budgets, helpful in identifying the cash position of various activities, namely operating, financing and investing activities, useful to the outsiders. At the same time, cash flow statement also is useful in taking managerial decisions. So I hope children the concept is clear to you, the uses of cash flow statement is clear to you. So let's see in the next session with the various activities of cash flows. Till then, stay home and stay safe. It's bye bye from Rishmi.